Hello children, good morning. Welcome to ELGA online class. Okay, dear children, today we are going to cover ELGA 4 day 3 of unit 3. Okay, dear children, today we are going to cover ELGA 4 day 3 of unit 3. Okay, dear children, what is today's topic? Cultures of neighboring countries. Okay, cultures of neighboring countries. Okay, in third unit. Okay, and children, now let us learn the blend. Okay, spur and snub blends. Okay, and children, today we are going to cover spur and snub blends. Okay, and children, now see the slide. Spur and snow blends. Okay, yeah, children, now spur, spider, spur, spider. Say all of you, spur, spider. Next, spur, spoon, spur, spoon, spur, spoon. Next, spur, spinach, spur, spinach. The next word, spur, spray, spur, spray. The another word, next, snur sound, snur blend, snack, snur, snack. The another word, snur, snake, snur, snake. The next word is snur, snore, snur, snore. The another word is snur, snail, snur, snail. The next word. Okay, your children, listen now. Children, once again I will repeat the all words. Dear children, please repeat after with me. Okay, dear students, now take your ELGA reader book, page number 51. Children, please take your ELGA reader book, page number 51. Dear children, when you have attending online class, take your ELGA reader book, take your worksheet, pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Okay, dear children, now I will give the time for you, 5 seconds. All the children, please take your ELGA reader book and worksheet, take your pencil and eraser and sharpener with you. Okay, dear children, now I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, your children, take your ELGA reader book, page number 51. Take soon, children. Your children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Listen. Spur, spider. Spur, spider. Next word. Spur, spoon, spur, spoon. The another word, spur, spinach, spur, spinach. The next word, spur, spray, spur, spray. Next, snub blend. Okay, next let us learn snub blend sound. Your children, listen. Snub, snack, snub, snack. Next, snub, snake, snub, snake. The another word, snub, snoo, snub, snoo. The next word is snub, snail. What is the last word? Snub, snail. Okay, very good. Awesome, children. Dear children, next we are going to cover the whole word section. Okay. Okay, your children, listen now. Look at the slide. In this sentence, what is the whole word? Children, listen carefully. In this sentence, what is the whole word here? Yeah, very good. Yeah, the orange color word are whole word. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the sentence. Rita goes to watch the cricket match. Children, once again, your children repeat after with me. Rita goes to watch the cricket match. Okay, in this sentence, what is the whole word, children? Yeah, very good. Watch. Yeah, here watch is a whole word. Okay, next. Yeah, children, please read the sentence. I watch television with my family. Okay, I watch television with my family. Yeah, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Yeah, very good. Yeah, in the dash, what is the word is coming? Yeah, very good. Watch. Watch. I watch television with my family. Okay, next. Ron sits next to Rita. Okay, your children read the sentence. Ron sits next. Next means what? Aduthu. Okay, Ron sits next to Rita. Yeah, in the sentence, what is the whole word? Next. Your children, now look at the slide. Read the sentence. Go and sit next to the window. Your children, read the sentence carefully. Go and sit next to the window. Okay, your children, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Next. Next. Next is a whole word. Okay. Okay, children, next. They bump into each other. Your children, read the sentence. They bump into each other. Yeah, in this sentence, into is a whole word. Okay. Next. Ron is walking into the room. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Read the sentence. Ron is walking into the room. In this sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Into is the whole word. Next. They bump into each other. They bump into each other. Okay, yeah, children, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Each is a whole word. Okay, next. They will sit with dash other. They will sit with each other. Yeah, in this sentence, each is a whole word. Okay. Next. They bump. They bump into each other. They bump into each other. Next. I am going to the other room. Okay, yeah, children, listen carefully. I am going to the other room. Okay, in the sentence, other is a whole word. Okay, yeah, children. Next, yeah, students, listen. Yeah, in our today's class, whole word section completed. Okay, yeah, children, next we are going to cover the reading and listening comprehension. Reading and listening comprehension. Yeah, children, what did you learn in the previous class? What did you learn in the yesterday's class? Okay, yeah, children, listen carefully. Vocabulary words. Okay, from the yesterday's class, yeah, children, listen. Yeah, some vocabulary words are here. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the words. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Okay, yeah, children, listen. The first vocabulary word is trip. Trip. Trip means what? Yeah, Neha is going somewhere outside of the India. Okay, yeah, during the vacation or holidays. Okay, going with somewhere. Okay, trip. Trip means going somewhere. Okay, yeah, children, Neha bag, and another one bag is in her hand. Okay, yeah, children, this is trip. The next word, chopsticks. Chopsticks. Chopsticks means what? Yeah, children, listen to me. Yeah, chopsticks means what? Yeah, children, yeah, our Chinese people, okay. Yeah, China is our neighboring country. Okay, yeah, in Chinese people to use the chopstick to eat the food. Okay, especially the noodles, and take the noodles and to eat with the chopsticks. Okay, next, surprised. Surprised means what? Yeah, Nega, now here surprise. Yeah, surprised means, yeah, children, when you have get the gift, okay, on your birthday. Okay, yeah, children, that time you are very surprised. Okay, உங்களோட பர்த்டேக்கு உங்கள் வீட்டில் இருந்து உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸு இல்லை உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ் யாராவது இந்த சர்ப்ரைஸாக உனக்கு தெரியாமல் ஒரு பெரிய கிஃப்ட் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா நீ உனக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஆச்சரியமாக இருக்கும்ல. You are very happy, delight. Okay, yeah, this is called surprise. Okay, the next word, between. Between means, yeah, children, listen, see the picture properly. Yeah, children, yeah, fingers are in between the two chopsticks. Okay, rendu chopstick ku naduvula enna irukku? Fingers. Okay, in between the chopsticks, yeah, fingers. Okay, yeah, between. Next, move. Okay, take the chopstick up and down. Up and down. This is called move. Next, pick. Pick means what? To take. Pick means what? To take. Yeah, children, now, what is this? This is a bowl. What is this? This is a bowl. Yeah, children, in Chinese people take the noodles with the chopstick and to eat. Yeah, in our China is our neighboring country. China is our neighboring country. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Yeah, children, listen. In Chinese people very like to eat noodles. Okay, yeah, the people take the noodles and using the chopstick to eat. Okay, yeah, children, look at me. This is noodles. Do you want to this noodles? Yeah, very yummy and tasty. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Yeah, in our Chinese people, okay, to eat the noodles with the chopsticks. Okay, listen. Next, in our country, which is our country? India is our country. Which is our country? India is our country. Okay, yeah, children, in our country we are using the fingers or spoons. Okay, yeah, how to eat in your home? நம்மள வீட்ல எப்படி சாப்பிடுவோம்? By eating with my fingers, eating with my hands. Okay, yeah, children, eating with our hands. Okay, yeah, children, when you eat, before eat, wash our hands properly and to eat. Okay, yeah, children, somebody are using with the spoon. Okay, and this is called fork. This is called fork. Yeah, children, when you have eat the meat or chicken, okay, take and to peel the meat and chicken to eat. Okay, yeah, this is called fork. This is the spoon. This is called spoon. Okay, yeah, children, next, this is the chopstick. This is called chopsticks. Okay, this is spoon. This is the fork. What is this? Fork. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Now, see the slide. Pick. Pick means what? To take. Pick means what? To take. Yeah, children, once again I will repeat the vocabulary words for you. Trip. Trip. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. Surprised. Surprised. Between. Between. Move. Move. Pick. Pick. Okay, next. Yeah, children, in today's class we are going to learn the cricket match. In today's class we are going to learn the cricket match. Okay, yeah, children, now look at the slide. See the first image. What do you think? What is this? This is the playground. This is the playground. Okay, yeah, children. When you have play cricket, indoor or outside, inside or outside? Yeah, children, listen. Very good. Yeah, children. When you have play cricket, yeah, children, inside or outside? Outside. Yeah, cricket is a outdoor game. Cricket is a outdoor game. Okay, yeah, children. Look at the cricket playground. This is the cricket playground. Okay. Yeah, in the ground there are many types of flags. Okay. There are many countries' flags are here. Okay. Yeah, children, next. Look at the next image. Yeah, children, listen. Now I will read the sentence. Rita goes to watch a cricket match. India. Why Rita goes to watch a cricket match of India? Because Rita is a Indian girl. Rita is a Indian girl. Okay, yeah, children, listen properly. Rita goes to watch cricket match India and Sri Lanka are playing. Okay, yeah, in the cricket match there are two countries are playing. In the cricket match there are two countries are playing, India and Sri Lanka. India and Sri Lanka are friends, so we are called neighbors. We are called neighbors. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Rita goes to watch a cricket match. India and Sri Lanka are playing. Okay, next. Yeah, children, listen. See the image. This is map of Sri Lanka. This is map of Sri Lanka. Yeah, children, yesterday I showed to me. Okay, show to your slide. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Did you know Sri Lanka is to the south of India? Okay, Sri Lanka is to the south of India. You can go there by taking an aeroplane from Chennai and getting off at Colombia. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Children, listen properly. Did you know Sri Lanka is to the south of India? You can go there by taking an aeroplane from Chennai and getting off at Colombo. Okay, next. See the next image. Your children, listen. Ron sits next to Rita. Okay, your children, look at the image. In the image there are two children. How many children? Two children. One is Rita, another one boy is Ron. Okay, your children, listen. Ron sits next to Rita. Okay, your children, listen. Now Ron sits next to Rita. Ron is from Sri Lanka. Okay, Rita is from India. Ron is from Sri Lanka. Okay, your children, listen. Now see the image properly. Rita has Indian flag. Okay, your children, in the Rita's t-shirt also write the name of India. Okay, your children, listen. Rita also having Indian flag, tricolor flag. Okay, next. Ron is from Sri Lanka. Ron is from the Sri Lanka. Okay, your children, he has which country's flag? Sri Lanka flag. Okay, listen. Next, see the image. Rita has a poster in Hindi. Yeah, which is our national language? Which is our national language? Yeah, children, listen. Hindi is our national language. Okay. Yeah, Rita has a poster in Hindi. Okay, Rita has a poster too in Hindi. Okay. Ron has a poster in Sinhalese. Sinhalese is a language of Sri Lanka. Okay. Yeah, children, in our country, Hindi is the one language. Yeah, the same way, Sinhalese is a one language of Sri Lanka. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Rita has a poster in Hindi. has a poster in Sinhalese. Okay, Sinhalese is a language. Okay, next. See the next image. Rita drinks. Rita drinks Nimbu Pani. Rita drinks Nimbu Pani. Ron drinks coconut water. Ron drinks coconut water. Next, your children, see the image. Rita jumps for Virat Kohli. Who is Virat Kohli? He is a famous cricket player. He is a famous cricket player for our country in India. Okay, your children, in India, Virat Kohli is a famous cricket player. Okay, your children, do you like Virat Kohli? Yeah, yes. Your children, he is your favorite cricket player. Yeah, yes, very good. Your children, listen. Rita jumps for Virat Kohli. Next, Ron cheers for Angelo Matthews. Who is Angelo Matthews? Anybody you know? Say the answer. Who is Angelo Matthew? Yeah, very good. Dear children, listen. Angelo Matthew is a famous cricket player for Sri Lanka. Okay, dear children, in our country, Virat Kohli is a famous cricket player. Yeah, the same way like this, Angelo Matthew is a famous cricket player for Sri Lanka. Okay, so Ron cheers up for Angelo Matthews. Okay. Next. Your children, see the image. Your children, first one. What is difference between the two types of image? Your children, the first image, a ball, red color of ball. The another one image, what is this? Bum. Okay, your children, listen. A ball comes at them. A ball comes at them. They rush to catch it. They rush to catch it. Okay, next. And they bump into each other. And bump into each other. Okay, next. They laugh loudly. Yeah, how they are laughing? Okay, they are laughing loudly. Ha 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 ha. Okay, your children, listen. They laugh loudly. Watching cricket is fun. Watching cricket is very, very fun. Fun means what? Jokes. Fun means what? Jokes. They laugh loudly. The cricket match is very, very interesting and very fun. Okay, your children, once again, I will recall the story. Okay, your children, listen properly. The cricket match. Okay, your children, listen. Who is the author in the story? Sumit Mehta. Sumit Mehta. Illustrator Piyush Davda. Piyush Davda. Okay, next. See the image. I will read the sentence. Rita goes to watch a cricket match. India and Sri Lanka are playing. Okay, your children, Rita watching the cricket match. That cricket match is playing the two countries. What are the two countries? India and Sri Lanka. Okay, next. Who is Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka is our neighboring country. Okay, your children, listen. Ron sits next to Rita. Ron sits next to Rita. Ron is from Sri Lanka. Rita is from India. Ron is from Sri Lanka. Okay, they are having flags. Rita has a Indian flags. Okay, tricolor Indian flags. Ron has a what? Sri Lanka flag. Okay, next. Rita has a poster in Hindi. Rita has a poster in Hindi. Ron has a poster in Sri Lanka. Ron has a poster in Sri Lanka. Okay, your children, listen. Sorry. Ron has a poster in Sinhalese. Sinhalese is a what? Language. Sinhalese is a language. Okay, next. Rita drinks Nimbu Bani. Rita drinks Nimbu Bani. Ron drinks coconut water. And Ron drinks coconut water. Next. Rita jumps. Rita jumps for Virat Kohli. Who is Virat Kohli? Yeah, he is a famous cricket player in our country. Okay, in India, Virat Kohli is very famous cricket player. Okay, Rita jumps for Virat Kohli. Next, Ron cheers for Angelo Matthews. Ron cheers for Angelo Matthews. Okay, Angelo Matthew is a very famous cricket player for Sri Lanka. Okay. Next, a ball comes off them. They rush to catch it. They rush to catch it. Okay, and they bump into each other. Okay. Next, they laugh loudly. They laugh loudly. Watching cricket is fun. Watching cricket is very, very fun. Fun means joke. Okay. Next, your children, take your worksheet, page number 63. Your children, now I will count number 10. Quickly take your worksheet, page number 63. Your children, take soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, your children, your time over. Now all the students, please take your Elga worksheet, page number 63. Okay, well done. Your children, now let us learn articles. Okay, your children, articles means what? How many articles? A and the. Okay, A and the. Okay, your children, now worksheet number 3. Put a or an in front of the nouns. Okay, your children, listen now. Listen carefully. Put a or an in front of the nouns. Okay, your children, listen. Question number 3, A. Question number 3, A. Dash apple. Dash apple. Your children, what is the first letter of apple? Children, listen carefully. What is the first letter of apple? Yeah, very good. A. A is the first letter of apple. Now, what is A? A is a vowel sound. Okay, A is a vowel sound. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels in alphabets. How many vowels? Your children, say once again. How many vowels in alphabets? A, E, I, O, U. Once again repeat. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, there are 5 vowels. Okay, your children, listen. Now, apple. In the word, A is a vowel. Okay, your children, A is a vowel. Your children, before the vowel sound, we will use an. Okay, before the vowel sound, we are using an. Okay, your children, an is a article. Okay, your children, now, an apple. Okay, an apple. Next, a tree. Your children, now listen carefully. Tree. What is the first letter of tree? T. T is a consonant. T is a consonant. So, a tree. Children, take your pencil. Note the answer quickly. An apple, a tree. Next, ball. Question number 3, C. What is the word is this? Ball. What is the first word of ball? B. Okay, B is a consonant. So we are using a ball. A ball. Next, dash orange. Dash orange. What is the first letter of orange? The children say the answer. What is the first letter of orange? The children, very good. O. O is a vowel. So we are using an. Before we use an. So your children listen now. An orange. An orange. Next. Question number 3. E. Dash mango. Dash mango. What is the first letter of mango? M. M is a consonant. So we use before consonants A. Okay. A mango. Okay. Your children, a mango. Next. Question number 3. F. Question number 3. F. Dash elephant. Dash elephant. What is the first letter of elephant? Your children, say the answer. See the slide. What is the first letter of elephant? Very good. E is a first letter. What is E? E is a vowel sound. E is a vowel. So before the vowels we are using what? A or an. Well done. Very good. Awesome. Your children, very good. An. An elephant. An elephant. So because E is a vowel. Okay. Next. Dash house. Dash house. Your children listen. What is the first letter of house? Very good. H. H is a consonant sound. So we are children using a house. Okay. A house. Next. Dash cake. Dash cake. What is the first letter of cake? C. Okay. C is a consonant sound. So we are using a cake. Say like you. A cake. Next. Umbrella. Next. Umbrella. Umbrella. What is the first letter of umbrella? Very good. U. U is a umbrella. Okay, your children, U is a what? Vowel sound. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. U is a vowel. So before vowel we use an. Okay, an umbrella. Next, dash egg. Dash egg. What is the first letter of egg? E. Very good. Your children, before the vowel we use an. An egg. Okay, your children, once again I will repeat the answer. Okay, an apple. Children, quickly take your pencil, note the answer quickly. An apple. A tree. A ball. An orange. A mango. An elephant. A house. A cake. An umbrella. An egg. Okay, your children, now I will give the time for you. 10 seconds. Quickly note the answer. Your children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are awesome. Very good. Your children, did you complete the worksheet? Very good. Next, your children, take the page number 64. Take soon, children. Take your worksheet, page number 64. Take soon, children. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Okay, your children, once again fill in the blanks with a, an, or the also. Okay, your children, now see the slide properly. Dash sun is in the sky. Dash sun is in the sky. Okay, what? What comes in the dash? Yeah, children listen. The sun is in the sky. Why? Because in the world there is only one sun. Only one sun in the sky. Because this is the what? Okay, your children listen. This is the universal truth. This is universal truth. Okay, இது வந்து என்னது மாறவே மாறாது. இந்த உலகத்துல ஒரே ஒரு sun தான் இருக்கு. Okay, the sun is in the sky. Okay, so we are using the. Okay, this is universal truth. Okay, the sun is in the sky. Okay, your children take your pencil, write the answer the. Next, do you have dash umbrella? Do you have dash umbrella? An umbrella. Yeah, children, because umbrella is a first word. U is a vowel sound. So, with children we are use an. Do you have an umbrella? Do you have an umbrella? Next, I want to eat. I want to eat dash watermelon. I want to eat a watermelon. I want to eat a watermelon. Next, dash jeep is black in color. Okay, dash jeep is black in color. Okay, children, why we are using the? Because this is particularly specify the black car. Okay, இது mention பண்ணிருக்காங்கல black color car னு சொல்லிட்டு. So we are using the. Okay, ஏதோ ஒரு கார் அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Okay, any car அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Yeah, children listen. Especially black mention பண்ணி சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Okay, so we are using the. The jeep is black in color. So listen, we are using the. Next, Riya wants dash pencil. Okay, your children listen. Listen carefully. Riya wants dash pencil. Your children, pencil. What is the first letter? P. P is a consonant sound. So children, we are using Riya wants a pencil. Okay, next. Very good children. Quickly take your pencil. Write the answer. The sun is in the sky. Do you have an umbrella? I want to eat a watermelon. Next, the jeep is black in color. Riya wants a pencil. Next, worksheet number 2. Complete the sentences by filling the blanks with a, an or the. Okay, children, now I will read the sentence. Mohan buys a dress for his sister. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Mohan buys dash dress for his sister. Dash dress is her birthday gift. She likes dash gift. She says thank you to him for dash gift. She buys dash key cream for him. Okay, sorry, ice cream for him. Okay, your children listen. Mohan buys dash dress. Mohan வந்து என்ன பண்றான்? ஒரு dress எடுக்கறான். For what? யாருக்கு? எதுக்கு? Because your children listen. For her sister. For him sister. Okay, your children listen. Mohan buys a dress. Okay, next. For his sister. The dress. Okay, your children first ஒரே ஒரு டைம் first time சொல்லும்போது a யூஸ் பண்ணணும். மறுபடியும் நம்ம அதை சொல்லும்போது என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? Okay, your children listen. The. Okay, the same dress. So we are using the. Okay, your children listen. The dress is her birthday gift. She likes the gift. She likes the again and again the dress is coming. So we are using the. Okay, Children listen. The dress is her birthday gift. She likes the gift. She says thank you him for the gift. She buys on ice cream for him. Okay, yeah children. She buys dash ice cream. An ice cream. Why? Because I is a vowel sound. So we are using an ice cream for him. Okay. Next. Worksheet number 3. Read the underlined word and circle the picture showing its meaning. Okay, yeah, children listen. Now look at the picture. Read the sentence. He can open the door. He can open the door. Yeah, children, the open word is underlined. The word is underlined, open. Yeah, children, in this picture there are 2 boxes. Okay, yeah, which box is open? What is the meaning of this picture? Open. So, yeah, children, circle the box of open. Open the box. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Circle the correct answer. Correct picture. Next. Question number 3. Letter B. He was feeling tired. There are 2 boys are here. Okay, running. The one boy is very brisk and active. The another one boy is looking very tired. Okay, your children take your pencil. Circle the boy of tired. Okay. Next. Sort the words by writing them in the correct column. Okay, your children listen. The first one, chopsticks, move, pick, eat, pencil, china. Children listen once again. Chopsticks, move, pick, eat, pencil, china. Your children, there are 6 words here. Your children, now we identify the verb and noun. Okay, what is verb? Verb means what? All the action words are called verb. Noun is a naming word. Your children, now what is the verb? Action word. Okay, your children, in this word, what are the action words? What words are here? Very good. Move, pick and eat. These are called verb. Okay, move, pick, eat. These are action words. Okay, next. Noun. Chopstick. Chopstick is the name of the things. Next, pencil. Pencil also name of the things. China is a place. China is the name of place. So these are called noun. Okay, yeah children, now identify the verb and noun separately. Okay, move, pick, eat, verb. Next, noun. Chopsticks, pencil, china are called noun. Okay, yeah children, take your pencil. Quickly write the answer. Now I will count down 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next children, cardinal numbers. Okay children, anybody you know what is the meaning of cardinal numbers? Cardinal numbers means what? Yeah children, listen. Cardinal numbers tell us how many of something we have. Children listen. Cardinal numbers means what? Yeah children listen. Cardinal numbers tell us how many of something we have. How many of something we have. Okay, they come before a noun. They come before a noun. Okay, yeah children, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, these are called cardinal numbers. Okay, yeah children, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are called cardinal numbers. Okay, yeah children, now circle the words that tell us how many of the nouns we have. How many of the nouns we have. Okay, yeah children, listen now. Read the sentence. The cat has 4 legs. The cat has 4 legs. Yeah children, in the sentence, how many nouns we have? Legs is a noun. Okay, yeah children, listen. Sorry, cat. Cat is a noun, has how many legs? The cat has how many legs? Very good. 4. Okay, 4. 4 is a, okay, how many? Next. 4 is the answer. Next. Letter B. A spider has 8 legs. A spider has 8 legs. Yeah, in this sentence, noun is a spider. Okay, how many of legs? 8. So 8 is the answer here. Okay, next. Ram has 6 eggs with him. Ram has 6 eggs with him. Ram எத்தனை egg வச்சிருக்காங்க? How many? 6. So 6 is the answer. Next. Jenny bought dash tupattas. 3 tupattas. Okay, yeah, children listen. Jenny bought 3 tupattas. How many tupattas? 3 tupattas. Yeah, children, now take your pencil, circle the word 3. Okay, next. Rita eats food with 2 chopsticks. Rita eats food with 2 chopsticks. How many chopsticks? 2 chopsticks. Okay, yeah, now 2 is the answer. Yeah, children, take your pencil, circle the answer correctly. Next. Yeah, children, take your worksheet, page number 66. Take your worksheet, page number 66. Take soon, children. 66, worksheet number 1. Number the pictures in the correct sequence. Number the pictures in the correct sequence. Yeah, children, now see the slide. The children listen, the answer is given. Which one is the first one? The 2 boys are get ready for the race. Next, second one, the boys are run in the race. Next, the boy wins the race. Next, he wins the first prize in the race. Okay, yeah, children listen now. Write the details in the table as per the story sequence in question number 1. Yeah, children, first. Yeah, which one is the first? Children are ready for the race. Where is the first one picture? Okay, yeah, children listen, very good. There are 3 children are ready for the race. Okay, the 3 children get ready for the race. Next, what is the second one? They run in the race. They run in the race. Okay, next, third one. A boy wins the race. A boy wins the race. Next, last one. He wins the first prize in the race. He wins the first prize in the race. Okay. Next, articles. The children listen. Complete the sentences 5 by fill in the blanks with a, an or the. John wants to read a book. John wants to read a book. He goes to the library. He goes to the library. He pick on old storybook. He pick on old storybook. He reads it. He likes the book. He likes the book. It was a good book, he says. John wants to read a book. So, your children, B, book is a consonant. Okay, consonant sound of before. Next, he goes to the library, particular library. He picked an old story book. Why we are using an? Because O is a vowel sound. He reads it. It likes the book. It was a good book, he says. Okay. Write the answer quickly, children. Next. Fill in the blanks by looking at the pictures. There are dash girls. Your children, now write the cardinal numbers. How many? Okay. There are 2 girls. Okay. Next. There are 3 umbrellas. There are 3 umbrellas. I can see dash elephant. Okay, children, see the slide. How many elephant is here? Very good. I can see 1 elephant. Next, I like this 4 cars. I like these 4 cars. Look at those 5 turtles. Look at those 5 turtles. Okay, your children listen. Take your pencil. Quickly write the answer. Okay, children. Your children, today's class over. Okay, thank you, children. Bye bye. Happy learning. Okay, bye. Yeah, see you next class. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.